Kajala Meglaya Hadu Kashibaji Minsngi Jokanyo Trigunai Lur Arja Arpo, Galadon Chispa Andre Puing would Kibiotamayo COVID-19, but Nyopo Prangut Kiblakoi. Director Health Service Dr. Amanwar Lapente Benakini Kishispa Andre Puing would Kibiotamai Mentakasni, Armut Kidena East Garo Hills District, Arpo Prangut na East Giant Hills District, Chispa Sunwood na East Khasi Hills, Hakaba Armut Kidena Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, but Chispa Langwood Kiriopaid Ba. Kandaingut na Riboy District, Iway na Southwest Khasi Hills District, Kadarngut na West Garo Hills District, Kibakintup Yanringut na Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, Bandringut Kiriopaid Ba. Iway na West Khasi Hills District, Badlaingut na Southwest Garo Hills District. Nakiniki Nyopu Prangut Kibakoid Mentakasngi, Laipinyongut Kidena East Khasi Hills, Laingut na North Garo Hills, Laingut na Riboy District, Iway na Southwest Khasi Hills, Arpukandaingut na West Garo Hills, Saungut na West Giant Hills, but Iway na Southwest Garo Hills District. Kibaklat Mentakasngi Kidan Laingut. Da kajing otmai kini kishispa andre puingut, kajing kod no ki nyopo prangut ba kajing klat ki laingut, kajala meglaya haruba pinmi yakanika kubor, kadan 1,000 lai spa san punyo tali ki positive case, 6,000 kandai spa prapulai tali ki active case, 8,000 lai spa saupu artali ki recovered case, but lai pu armut ki blaklat no. Nagini ki 6,000 kandai spa prapulai tali ki active case, ka East Khasi Hills District kadan 6,000 lai spa khat kandai tali. Hakaba Arspa Saupusangut Kirina ka Armed Force or Paramilitary Force, but Chiajar Nyopusangut Kirupaid Ba. Ka West Khasi Hills District on Kalai Taliki active case, Southwest Khasi Hills Sun, Riboy District Shispan Rupunrio, Hakaba Saupunyongut Kirina ka Armed Force or Paramilitary Force, but Shispa Harkandangut Kirupaid Ba. Ka West Giant Hills District on Chipotliki active case, East Giant Hills Arspan Rupusan, West Garo Hills Shispan Rupo, Hakaba Nyopungut Kirina ka Armed Force or Paramilitary Force, but Kandai Pungut Kirupaid Ba. Ka Southwest Garo Hills District on Southtliki active case, South Garo Hills Khatpra, East Garo Hills Sun, but North Garo Hills Pratliki active case.
Positive today is 161. East Garo Hills 2, East Giant Hills 28, East Khasi Hills 105, 2 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, 103 from the others category. Riboy 9, Southwest Khasi Hills 1, West Garo Hills 12, 6 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 6 from the others category. West Khasi Hills 1, Southwest Garo Hills 3. The total number of active cases stands at 1,983. Out of this, 1,319 are in East Khasi Hills, and Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces amounts to 245, and others category 1,074. West Khasi Hills 13, Southwest Khasi Hills 5, Riboy 166, 47 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 119 from the others category. West Giant Hills 10, East Giant Hills 265, West Garo Hills 160, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces 70, and others category 90. Southwest Garo Hills 14, South Garo Hills 18, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces nil, and others 80. East Garo Hills 5, North Garo Hills 8. The number of recovered cases today is 78. Out of this 78, 37 are in East Khasi Hills, 1 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 36 from the others category. North Garo Hills 3, Riboy 3, Southwest Khasi Hills 1, West Garo Hills 29, 1 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, 28 from the others category. West Giant Hills 4, Southwest Garo Hills 1. The total number of recovered cases stands at 2,342. And the total number of deaths till today stands at 31. There are 2 new deaths recorded in East Khasi Hills.